Oh shit. That's weird. Troy!
What's going on,
It's been a while, man. How are you?
Good, yeah?
Yeah. Close meet for you?
Yeah, left fucking late. Went home.
I know.
Yeah!
Every time I see the lures, it pisses me off. It's good hose.
Hey Troy, what's going on, bro?
Not you.
So much.
With your luvers. Where's your rivets?
I like your
angle
louvers,
grinders
man.
off.
Yeah. Where's your rivets, man?
Okay, they're there.
Yeah. I wish.
Oh, that's a nice fit, eh? That is a nice fit. They look good.
Yeah, I fucking right on there. So
Yeah, that's what my luvers are for. No one makes
black.
Yeah, how do you like those, eh? That's not bad.
That looks, oh yeah, that looks good. Just flows perfect.
Where'd you get those? Special order Prime?
Oh yeah.
And where'd you get your louvers?
Actually, Jonathan sent me the link. Some guy on Facebook that.
Oh yeah.
So I got my
I even tried to get to it. At the end, he goes, sure. So I'm gonna fucking deliver and give me car wash.
I like how.
Yeah.
Gotta try, right?
Did you get black ice, little trees, because just to match your car, or just because you like black ice?
No, that's the
Yeah, right. Yeah.